In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Audacity files via email. It's a straightforward process, but having a good understanding of each step can make it even easier. Let's get started. When you're working in Audacity, your first task is to save your project. To do this, head over to the top menu and click on File, then choose Save Project As. This will prompt you to enter a name for your project. Choose a name that's clear and descriptive, so it's easy for you or anyone else to recognize later on. Once you've named your file, click Save. With your project saved, you're ready to attach it to an email. Open your email application and create a new email draft. You'll want to look for an option to attach a file, often represented by a paperclip icon. Click on this icon and then navigate through your computer to find the file you just saved. Select it to attach it to your email. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop the file directly into your email draft. It's worth noting that if your file is larger than 25 megabytes, it will automatically be shared through Google Drive or a similar service when you use Google products. A message will appear, and once you see it, just click OK, got it, to proceed. It's crucial to remember to include any additional resources or notes about your file. This context helps the recipient understand the details and purpose of your project. These extra pieces of information can be added directly to the body of your email to ensure they're not missed. If you prefer or need to send your file in a more universal format, Audacity allows you to export your project as an MP3 or WAV file, which are more widely used and compatible across various platforms. To do this, go back to File, then click on Export Audio. You'll be prompted to select the destination where you'd like to save this file on your computer, as well as to choose the format, MP3 or a WAV, depending on your needs. Once you've made these decisions, hit Export. The process for attaching this exported file to an email is the same as before. Either drag it into your email draft or use the paperclip attach function, locate the file on your computer, and click Open to attach it. And there you have it. Sending Audacity files via email is quite simple following these steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads.